As a manufacturer or distributor of medical devices, you will surely know that the industry is subject to high requirements and regulations. To meet these needs, validated processes and comprehensive certifications are called for. That sounds rather overwhelming at first, but Raimund Wenzler GmbH is happy to take on the responsibility for you. In our family business, transparency and premium quality are our highest priority. Thanks to many years of experience, we create exquisite products, all made in Germany. In this way, we offer you the optimal solution for MDR-compliant instruments. Option 1. You act as a manufacturer yourself and offer the products under your own brand name. You can either choose from our wide range of articles the product that suits you, or have individual products manufactured. For the approval process, you gain access to the drawing of the finished product, material information on the components, process workflows in connection with operating equipment, and process validation reports on the manufacturing process. Option 2. With or without own brand labeling, our articles are available for you to expand your product portfolio. This saves you a costly and time-consuming approval and development process. Option 3. As a contract manufacturer, we turn your ideas into reality, fully bespoke, from new development to production. Feel free to contact us and experience craftsmanship and technology in perfect harmony.